In today's Byte Sized SWE episode, I want to talk about a great way to keep your sanity at work amongst all the chaos and commotion that frequently comes with a job. In the age of layoffs, higher performance expectations, and a general tightening of the screws on employees, it's important to keep ourselves sane and level headed so we can do our best work week in and week out. Outside of caring for your work life balance, mental and physical health, there's one great simple thing that anyone can do to lighten the load. And that is to foster a close, friendly work relationship with one or more of your colleagues. And I don't just mean exchanging pleasantries with your teammate on a superficial surface level. I mean find someone who you can trust and go to in order to discuss anything under the sun. Want to complain about your manager? Chat to them. XFN partners driving you mad? Chat to your friend. Want to discuss compensation or how AI is going to steal your job? Message that one guy. Want to make inappropriate jokes that HR would definitely fire you for if someone else heard them? Well, you have that one friend you can trust. Having a work friend like this is really that ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, an outlet for you to vent, to discuss things without the veneer of political correctness that most workplace conversations have. A person who you can just share your unfiltered thoughts to and not have to worry about the ramification. I'll admit it, it takes time to foster these kinds of relationships, and of course, you need to be careful about who you befriend and open up to. It won't happen right away. You need to build trust and figure out who is actually aligned with you mentally and who sings from the same hymn sheet, so to speak. Opening up to the wrong person can be disastrous, so do your due diligence and understand who someone is and how they think before actually doing so. But once you find that person, it's an amazing arrow to have in your quiver. It makes the workplace so much more light and fun, giving you breathing room to vent and complain in a way that won't get you fired. Someone who can understand where you're coming from and can empathize with your situation and feelings. Despite working on a team of sometimes up to 10 people, it's easy to feel isolated at the workplace. Despite interacting with others on a daily basis, there's something that just isn't right if you're holding something back. When you don't really trust your teammates, when you know you can't talk on certain subjects, when you know that they just wouldn't understand or wouldn't want to understand where you're coming from. But if you do manage to find someone, maybe they're on your team, maybe you meet them by chance, it's a massive plus. Keep these people close, foster that relationship, don't drift apart. Maintain your friendship and take whatever comes your way side by side. You're in the same boat, might as well go at it together. The load will feel just that much lighter if you do so. And that's all for today's episode. Tell me, do you have a close work friend? What do you discuss? Would HR fire you instantly if they read your private DMs? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching to the end. Subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, bye.